You stand in the presence of Daenerys Stormborn of House Targaryen, rightful heir to the Iron Throne, rightful Queen of the Seven Kingdoms, the Mother of Dragons, the Khaleesi of the Great Grass Sea, the Unburnt, the Breaker of Chains.
You may cover it up and deny it, but you have a gentle heart.
I think she has a good heart.
I want to go home. I was born to rule the Seven Kingdoms. And I will.
The lords of Westeros are sheep. Are you a sheep? No. You're a dragon.
Dracarys.
Be a dragon.
Can I swear this?
Daddy, please!
You ever betrayed me? You betrayed me. I'll burn you alive.
King Robert wanted her dead. Of course he wanted her dead. She's a Targaryen. The last Targaryen.
I am the last Targaryen, Jon Snow.
Targaryen,
Shall we begin?
alone in the world. It's a terrible thing.
And on it spins, crushing those on the ground.
It's a beautiful dream. Stopping the wheel.
I'm not going to stop the wheel. I'm going to break the wheel.
They will not bend.
I am not.
What happens to things that don't bend?
What is it you want?
My birthright. 7 kingdoms of Westeros.
One army, a real army, united behind one leader with one purpose.
I know what my father was.
Burn them all. Burn them all!
I know the Mad King earned his name.
I offer you a choice. Bend the knee and join us, or refuse and die.
They can live in my new world, or they can die in their old.
What else could she do? Not burn him alive alongside his son.
He murdered sons in front of their fathers. He burned men alive.
Dracarys.
That's what I told myself when I watched them beg for mercy.
And I shall show you no mercy.
I'm not the one doing it. You are mad.
This is entirely different.
It's not entirely different.
That was necessary.